Talking to us will energize you to be fast at mind, soul connection to a better way of growing through the union that will be for the family of guides you are beginning to vibrate to. Yes, you will align with us at a even stronger union than before. This union of universal soul connection gets you on the first level of gaining the mind to soul connection that will be for the benefit of all. This will be fast and full of unity. So you start to roll with a new vibration that will be calling you when needed. Imagine having a conversation with those who willingly listen to you without judgment, encouraging you to follow your dreams, guide you toward your victories, see you through all your challenges and successes, bring out the best in you, and always tell you the truth. You can handle the truth, right? This will be one of your challenges as you get to know yourself better. This describes what you can expect from the conversations you will be having with your spirit guides and angels in your coaching session with me and your team of guides. This is about experiencing how to tune into your guides so conversations with them can begin to flow naturally. When this starts, you will feel a transition happening within yourself, realigning the connection you used to have with them when these conversations were as natural as breathing. It will feel like a reunion, but you must be open to it. Having expectations will dilute your experience. Being open will allow the conversation with your guides to flow naturally.